and whole wheat almond milk pancakes. These are super soft and awesome, and they're dippable, so it's super fun. If you're excited for this video, please give it a big thumbs up and let's get breakfasting. For our 3-ingredient bacon pancake dippers, you're gonna need some pancake batter, and this is 1.5 cups of pancake batter, and I like to mix it with almond milk. I think it just gives it a better flavor and texture. We're gonna need 3 slices of turkey bacon that's cut into 4s and some organic grade A maple syrup for dipping. We're gonna spray down our cooking pan so nothing sticks. And go ahead and make a shape, kind of like, I guess, bacon, so that it's a lot easier than actually having to pour it. So once that's on there, we're gonna take our bacon strip and just put it on. And I like to kind of give it a zigzag so you could still see the bacon, but it's all covered too. Then we're gonna give it a second and then give it a good flip. While the rest of those are cooking up, here's my outfit of the day. I am loving spring, so I am definitely rocking a floral dress with a cardigan over because it can get a little bit chilly. And of course, a bunch of fun jewelry and a bright pink bow. So what do you guys think of 3-ingredient bacon pancake dippers?